Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. Enjoying the sound of the birds and the waves. It's a good time to be in Rockport, Texas, guys. Get things done. Schedule your siesta time to get out of the heat. Come right back at it before sunset. Beach is a lot quieter than 4th of July weekend. I want to say good morning to a very special friend of mine. Hey Pearl, good morning friend. Roll my intro. That button right there on the left. The other one on your other left. Waiting in line at Walmart. One cashier today. I don't know, guys. $30 for this. And it blows cool air. There's always a breeze by the water, and I think a spray bottle of cold water would have a better effect and save me $30. Little sparklies in the water. I got a joke from my buddy Michael. Beer nuts are about $3, but deer nuts are always under $1. An oldie but a goodie, Michael. Thanks for sending that. Comedy gold, folks. There's a dolphin for us. And a boat going by. People are crabbing. Come on, dolphins, where are you? There you go, way over by the wall. One just came up. There's your American flag. Very nice. It's hazy out, guys. I saw they were using a brand new raw chicken leg on one crab line and then a fish on another. See what brings the crabs in for them. This young lady's fighting the wind, but she's doing a really good job with it. On a calm day, they just kind of glide right along. But today she's headed right into the wind. I'm shooting this out of my front windshield, so hopefully it's fairly clean today. Good for her. She'll come back at about 10 times that speed. And here's another one. She's moving along pretty good. She went with the kneeling double paddles. Everyone's got their own techniques today. There's quite a few people out here enjoying the day. There were two more coming, having a little difficulty, and they kind of got rescued. That's about my speed right there. That's the way I'd be doing it. Well guys, apparently I did not show the water enough last video. So I will make sure to do that in future videos. Not much of a breeze today, so it is fairly calm. The tide is coming in. See if Captain Jack is home today. One day, guys, we're going to see Johnny Depp coming down those stairs. Full Captain Jack outfit. I did hear he got a movie, like a French Renaissance movie. He plays the king that cuts off everyone's head. And with lack of sleep and a little bit of heat exhaustion, I am not recalling anything the last few days. I hope dementia is a good one. Maybe I'm in a mental ward somewhere and all this is my dementia. I think I'm by the water listening to the birds and the waves. Just a gorgeous day along the bay, guys. People are out fishing, walking. Someone's scaring up the seagulls. What I was thinking about doing was going to grab lunch at Sonic in a little bit, and then we're going to head out earlier to check out the beach road, see if we can find anything interesting there. So I think we're going to head on over to Sonic. I have a gift card from you guys. Thank you. Made it on over to Sonic. Here's part of their menu. I did order on the app. That way you get drinks half price any time of the day. I got a limeade, a cranberry limeade. Here's my receipt upside down. This is really good. I do like their cranberry drinks of all kinds. That's an American dog with everything I could fit on there. Mustard, ketchup, veggies. That is chili cheese fries. This is a very good pretzel with a cheese sauce. And that's the signature sauce that I'm going to dump on the hot dog. So, that is a big lunch. I'm sure I will immediately regret it when I get back out in the heat. Thank you, guys. I think I'm going to head on over to the Circle, take a nap, catch us a sunset. Thanks for riding along today, guys. Thanks for watching.